MVP4 Moisture Vapor Protection is a one-part trowel-applied moisture-cure urethane membrane designed to be used beneath glue-down installations of engineered, solid, and bamboo hardwood flooring. MVP4 is exceptionally easy to trowel and is designed to minimize moisture vapor transmission from the subfloor, create a noise reduction barrier over the substrate, and establish an anti-fracture membrane that can bridge cracks up to 1/8 inch that can occur in the substrate prior to or after installation. MVP4 may be applied prior to any Bostik hardwood adhesive to achieve a warranty for unlimited moisture vapor protection. This membrane has low VOCs and does not contain any water. In addition, it comes with Bostik's BLOCKADE antimicrobial protection, which inhibits the growth of bacteria, mold, or mildew on the surface of the cured membrane. MVP4 provides a premium sound reduction barrier over the substrate that typically outperforms 1/4 inch cork underlayment when used as a system with Bostik's best. Be sure to read the technical and safety data sheets before use. These are easily found on our website at bostik.com/US. Visit the website to download the data sheets for MVP4 Moisture Vapor Protection, Anti-Fracture, and Noise Reduction Membrane.